Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview the features and benefits of Solar Pool Ionizer by DiscoverMyStore. Features: keep the floating in your pool and inhibit the growth of algae. High precision, turns itself on every day and works until nightfall. Advanced technology solar panel, no electricity required. Non-toxic, safe to use, and completely harmless to children, your skin, and fish. Reduce the use of chlorine by over 80%. Balance the water mineral ions. Use in swimming pools, spas, and water fountains. Product benefits: solar water purifier work fast. Major energy savings. Reduce chemical usage. Slash energy bills. Enjoy clear, clean, and completely safe pool water. Keep the water crystal clear. Reduce the use of chlorine by as much as 85 to 90% to kill the algae. To buy a solar pool ionizer, click on the link below. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.